Welcome to another Tech Vid. Today you'll learn about AI governance and safety in enterprise deployments through Sophos Workspace Protection. Let's dive in. AI is now integrated into businesses. From using chatbots to data summarization, these AI tools make work faster and reduce manual effort. However, through continued use and sharing of information with these AI tools, it brings risks like data breaches. Enterprises need strong governance to manage AI services, control data sharing, and block risky tools. Sophos Workspace Protection helps with comprehensive governance through its protected browser and secure DNS. Today, I'll demonstrate how to block Gen AI applications across multiple platforms, grant access to specific actions for Gen AI apps, and govern AI usage by allowing only sanctioned AI apps with last-mile controls. Before starting, ensure you have a Workspace Protection license, Sophos Protected Browser is installed, and Secure DNS Agent is installed and assigned to the endpoint from Sophos Central. Let's get started. In Sophos Central, go to My Products, Protected Browser. Then navigate to Policy Objects, Gen AI Apps. This is an application group that contains a list of assigned Gen AI applications, such as ChatGPT. These groups are useful for efficiently managing and enforcing security by categorizing applications with similar requirements. Next, go to Web Policy, Policy Overrides, and click Add Override. Enter a name for the policy. Then select the overall effect of the override, in this case, Block. Under User Group, click Edit, and select the user groups the policy will apply to. Next, under Application Group, select Gen AI Apps. Lastly, click Save. A policy is now in place to block use of Gen AI apps for the specified user group. To test this, I'll log in to Protected Browser and try accessing ChatGPT. You can see that access is denied. However, users are still able to access Gen AI apps through other browsers, like Google Chrome. This can be addressed by using the Secure DNS Agent included in the Workspace Protection license. In Sophos Central, navigate to My Products, Endpoint, Policies, scroll down and select the Endpoint DNS Protection base policy. Then, go to Settings, enable Use Sophos DNS Protection, and click Save. In the Sophos Endpoint Agent, you can see that DNS protection is now protected. Note, ensure to assign the agent to the desired device in the Computers and Servers page. Now go to My Products, DNS Protection, Policies. Then select the policy to edit and block the necessary apps. These policies are applied across all platforms. Note, the list here is not generated by default. To create a list, go to the Domain List page. Now, if I try navigating to ChatGPT using Google Chrome, access is denied. You can see this site is on the Gen AI list and has been blocked by DNS protection. Furthermore, accessing the ChatGPT app directly is also blocked. Next, I'll demonstrate how to provide access to specific actions and Gen AI apps. Go to the policy created earlier, click the ellipsis, and select Edit Override. I'll edit the policy to allow Gen AI apps instead, and block the ability to upload and copy or paste data from those apps. Change the overall effect to Allow. Next, in Upload Protection, select Block All Uploads. Then, in Data Boundaries, select Keep Data within the application. Click Save. Set the status of the policy to Active. Now that ChatGPT is accessible, if I try to upload a file to it, a pop-up will appear notifying that this action is blocked. If I try to paste information into ChatGPT, this is also blocked. Next, I'll demonstrate how to create a policy to govern AI usage by allowing only sanctioned AI apps with last-mile controls. Create another policy by clicking Add Override. I'll configure this policy to allow pasting data to specific authorized GenAI apps. Enter a name for the policy. Select the user groups the policy will apply to. Then select the application group. In this case, it's Authorized GenAI. Next, in Data Boundaries, choose Keep Data Within the Application. Allow pasting from outside. Lastly, click Save. Now, if I use Copilot, which is an authorized app, I can upload files. And pasting information into the app is also allowed. However, if I try to copy information, this is blocked by the policy. And that covers our demonstration of governing safe AI use with Sophos Workspace Protection. I hope you found this useful. The relevant documentation and other comprehensive resources for this tech vid are linked in the video description. Join the Sophos community to stay up to date with our products, ask questions, and get answers from Sophos experts. And go to Sophos TechVids for more expert tutorials to help you maximize your products and stay secure. See you next time.